How to make life with tinnitus more comfortable. Tinnitus is a condition where an individual hears sound, in one or both inner ears, that does not exist externally. The sound is usually described as a kind of ringing, buzzing or hissing. Tinnitus is a frustrating, bothersome and, at times, debilitating medical condition. This video contains information about tinnitus, and tips on how to successfully deal with the disorder. Reducing your stress levels can be all that it takes to get rid of tinnitus. High levels of stress can cause a variety of different medical conditions, with tinnitus being one of them. So, controlling your levels of stress can also reduce or get rid of chronic ringing in your ears. Since many people are not knowledgeable about tinnitus and the problems that it causes for people who suffer from this condition, it is important to educate your family, coworkers and friends about your situation. Inform them about the different conditions and settings that cause you the most problems. Also, ask them for their support in helping you deal with your condition. Bring up your tinnitus to your doctor at your next yearly physical exam and ask to be referred to an ear, nose, and throat specialist. An ENT can look into the cause of your tinnitus, which is vital, if you are going to find a way to treat it. To avoid aggravating your tinnitus further, choose the foods you eat carefully. Salt, caffeine, artificial sweeteners, and sugar, can all make the symptoms of your tinnitus worse. If you don't want to give up all these things, try eliminating them one at a time to find out which one, if any, is causing problems. As was mentioned in the opening of this video, tinnitus is a very serious medical disorder. It affects millions of people throughout the world, and can be extremely difficult to deal with if a person is not well informed on the condition's treatments and causes. Individuals suffering with tinnitus need to understand that the situation isn't hopeless. Apply the tips from this video to help improve your tinnitus today. Brain scan uncovers the real root cause of tinnitus and what you can do about it, starting today. Please visit earpainhacks.com to learn more. Would you like to learn how to naturally ease tinnitus? Please visit earpainhacks.com to learn more. Link in the description.